my life, my experiences, and my worlds. Hello everyone, my name is Fiorella, and today I am going to talk about my daily routine, my studies, the people in my life, my food habits, my home, my past experiences, and my future plans. Every day I wait and at 6 in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then I study of attend my class. The afternoon the afternoon I usually do my homework, read and use my computer. And now it I relapse and prepare for the next day. The people in my life are very important uh, to me. I live with my family. Uh, my parents are hard working and caring, and my siblings are friendly and supportive. I also have good friends who motivate me and helps me when I need support. I like healthy foods. I eat vegetables, rice, chicken, and fruits. I drink water every day, and sometimes I drink juice or coffee. I don't eat too much for fast food, but I like pizza. On specials occasion, I go to restaurants with my family. Last month, we celebrating a birthday. We ordered food, chairs, desserts, and enjoyed the event together. I live in a comfortable house. There is living room, a kitchen, two bedrooms, and a bathroom. The living room, and there is a sofa, a table, and a television. My bedroom has a bed, a desk, and a chair. I like inviting my friends to my home. Would you like to come to my house this weekend? Last weekend was interesting. On Saturday, I went shopping because I needed clothes. I asked for help and said, "Can you help me, please?" The assistant shows me the best um, option of hops. The weather was sunny and warm. I like spring because it is warming than winter. When is cold, I suggest wearing warm clothes. In the past, my life was different. Before I didn't study as much. Now I am more responsible and focused. An important event in my life was starting university. It helps me grow as a person. People in my city are friendly. Some are more outgoing than others. I usually travel by bus, but a taxi is faster than a bus. Walking is easier than using transport. My parents work every day. My mother works in an office and my father works outdoors. Right now they are working and I am studying English and improving my skills. In my opinion, Cusco is the best city to visit. Is it the most beautiful and the most historical city in Peru? You can visit Machu Picchu and enjoy amazing food. In conclusion, my life is full of learning experiences and important moments. Thank you very much for listening.